Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to automate your daily tasks using N8N step by step. So step 1, you can go to n8n.io or .cloud and create a free account, or you can install it on your local machine or server using Docker. Step 2, log into your N8N and click New Workflow. Give your automation or workflow a name that describe your task. So for this one, auto email sender. Auto email sender. Step 3. You can now click the plus button and add a new node. You can start with a trigger node. You can choose what type of trigger node that you want to use in this choices. You can do a trigger such as a time-based schedule or a webhook. Step 4. You can add action nodes like send email, create Google Calendar event, or post to Slack based on the task that you want to automate. Step 5. Configure each node with your credentials and customize with actions using variables or input data. Step 6. Click Execute Workflow to test the nodes that you put, and then turn on the toggle to enable the automation permanently. Now, you can automate your repetitive tasks using N8N easily. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.